Hello everyone. Next article from chapter 15, structure of atom and nuclei, is energy of electron. After this radius of orbit article, we have to learn a new article, and it is energy of electron. In this article, what we have to do? We have to find out kinetic energy of electron, then we have to find out potential energy of electron, and then we have to add kinetic energy and potential energy. We get total energy. So I told you the procedure of this article. Now let me find out a kinetic energy. For that, I consider one electron is revolving around the nucleus. I consider here simplest atom and hydrogen atom we are considering, for which Z is equal to 1. So for hydrogen, Z is 1. So consider electron revolving around the nucleus. Then by Bohr's first postulate. So by Bohr's first postulate, centripetal force is equal to electrostatic force. So here we get this formula. Now here, by using that, I have to write kinetic energy. So this R get cancelled. So we get mv square is equal to, so E square divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R. Now mv square we get. You know that kinetic energy is half mv square. So I can multiply it here half and here by half. So we get a formula of kinetic energy. So multiplying both sides by half. So 1 by 2 mv square is equal to E square divided by. So 1 by 2. 2 into this 4. 8 pi epsilon 0 R. Now here, this is a kinetic energy. Hence I can write kinetic energy is equal to E square divided by 8 pi epsilon 0 R. So equation number 1. So we get kinetic energy. Similar manner we can find out potential energy also. So potential energy is, so here you remember one thing here, potential energy we can write electric potential by a formula, electric potential into charge on electron. Electron potential multiplied by charge on electron. Electron potential we can write 1 upon 4 pi, I think this is visible. Oh yes, it's visible. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, then E by R multiplied by charge on electron is minus E. So after solving this, we can write potential energy is equal to, hence potential energy is equal to E into minus E square. So I can write minus here, this E square. Then this 4 pi epsilon 0 R. 4 pi epsilon 0 R, equation number 2. So equation 2 is a potential energy, equation 1 is a kinetic energy. We have to add both the energies, we get total energy. Hence, total energy of electron is E is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Now here kinetic energy is this, E square divided by 8 pi epsilon 0 R minus. Why minus? Because potential energy having a minus sign here. So here minus is coming. This E square divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R. Now we have to select common terms. Now what are the common? E square is common. Then this 4, I can write 4 pi epsilon 0 is common. Okay? And then here 1 by 2, or I can write only pi epsilon 0 common. E square divided by pi epsilon 0 R. Then here we get 1 by 8 and here minus 1 by 4. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4, I can multiply it to divide by 2. So 2 by 8. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 divided by 8. Divided by 8. So here E square divided by pi epsilon 0 R. So here we get minus 1 by 8. So this minus 1 by 8. So I can write it here, minus E square divided by 8 pi epsilon 0 r. So this is what? Total energy. Now in this total energy, we have to substitute this radius of Bohr's orbit, which we already obtained in the previous topic. But radius of Bohr's orbit is, I write. So r is equal to epsilon 0 n square h square divided by pi me square. So this is the formula of radius that we have to write it here. Hence, E is equal to, so I can write this E square divided by minus E square divided by 8 pi epsilon 0. And this 1 by r, I can write it here. So this is r, 1 by r we have to write, pi me square divided by epsilon 0 n square h square. So I think this is visible. Okay. Then we have to cancel the common term. This pi get cancelled. So minus m, then e square, e raised to 4. 8, then epsilon 0 square, n square h square. This is formula of E. Now this is expression for energy of electron. E is equal to minus m e raised to 4 divided by 8 epsilon 0 square n square h square. This is expression for energy. Then after that, I can write same formula. E is equal to minus m e raised to 4 divided by 8 epsilon 0 square h square. And then this 1 by n square I am writing here. I written all the constant in a bracket. This m is constant, e is constant, epsilon 0, h, everything is constant. Only this principal quantum number n I written to that side. So here this is constant. So I can write here this constant into this. So minus into this constant, or constant I write into this 1 by n square. So I can write it here E proportional to this 1 by n square. Question may be asked on this article, obtain expression for energy, you have to write up to this. Show that energy inversely proportional to square of principal quantum number, then you have to write up to this. Energy of electron is inversely proportional to square of principal quantum number. Question may be asked in that way also. So here, this is a energy article. Also, we write E is equal to. So this m is constant, E is constant, 8, epsilon 0 and h square, everything is constant. If we substitute all the values and done the calculation, then it is coming, this minus sign as it is, then it is coming 13.6. And this n square I am writing as it is. This energy is in electron volt. So calculation we done, this is in electron volt. Okay? So we get this is the energy. Energy of electron is given by this formula, minus 13.6 divided by n square electron volt. If you want to find out energy of first orbit, substitute n is 1. So 1 square is 1, minus 13.6 electron volt is the energy of electron in first orbit. Similar manner, if you want to find out energy of electron in second orbit, then n is 2. So minus 13.6 divided by 2 square is 4. So it is coming 3.4 electron volt. Similar manner, you can find out energy of electron in any orbit by using this formula. So this is very important article. I hope everyone understood this and everything is visible. I hope everything is visible here. Take it.